Hello, Mzansi, it's a gossip girl. Remember the last season of Isencane lengane? Tando's father said that her daughter's child looks like Dlamuka. He made a wild accusation that Tando might have slept with Dlamuka as he is a man of polygamy. Now I'm on TikTok scrolling. Ebana, I see Siyacela posted this picture. I'm like, awa, le like you resemble features of your family members, but not like this, Bagiti, head to toe, 100%. Like, what are the odds? You see, if it was your child, ne? And of all the children, yeah, Babaga Tamuka, ne, from all his 4 wives, none of his children look like him. But, except Wanamang, Watando, Lemang, Siyacela. And Siyacela liena, he does not look like his father. So if maybe Siyacela looked like his father and then Siyacela's child also took after his father and his grandfather, it would make sense because we would say, okay, Shaba, the genes are strong. But now, Siyacela ke le dombolo, ke le yellow bony, and then now the child comes, he's dark in complexion, he looks exactly like Dlamuka. I'm not saying anything, I'm just saying, what are the odds? You know, what are the odds besides them sharing a DNA? Let me know in the comment section, Mzansi. Till I see you again. Bye-bye.